Welcome, class, to the podcast for March 20th, 2010. Today in reading, we went over Huck Finn, chapters 3 and 4. So I'd like you to go ahead and read those chapters and then answer the following questions. There's 2 questions for chapter 3 and then 4 questions for chapter 4. In math, we went over mixed fractions. So I'd like you to read chapter 6 in the textbook. It is actually very helpful, so go through some of the examples. It should really help, and then complete problems 1 through 12 all. And then I wrote a few examples on this page. Just remember to change your mixed fraction into a normal fraction, make the denominators the same, subtract your numerators, and then you should come up with your answer. But any other questions, just go ahead and check the book and then bring your homework with you tomorrow. In spelling, we went over our spelling words again, and we wrote them 10 times each, so that's your only homework in there. In health, we went over drugs and alcohol today. So we did a community circle to discuss different situations that adolescents and children can be put in. And we talked about different ways to say no to drugs and alcohol. We went over the long-term and short-term consequences. And then we finished up with making flashcards for our vocab words in chapter 10. So that's your homework for tonight. Just do your flashcards. Make sure you include a definition and a picture, and then color it in if you like. Lastly, in social studies, we're still going over President Lincoln. So we discussed him, and we started to learn the Gettysburg Address. We need to know the first 2 paragraphs, so I put that on here so you can go ahead and look at it tonight, but just keep practicing that. And that's all for today, so we'll see everyone tomorrow in class.